Hello, guys. This is Alberto from C2 Tribe Local Marketing in Orange County, California. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the three things that you need as business owner if you want to create a website that attract leads in the future. Well, you need a good foundation. So the first one is you're going to need your hosting. The hosting is like your home, and inside your home are going to live the two other elements. The first one is your website service provider. That is where you're going to work all your design and have all the technical stuff in order to make work your website. And the third one is your domain. For example, mine is c2trilocalmarketing.com. So you have your hosting, that is the home. You have your website service provider where you're going to work all the technical stuff and graphics in order to see your website on the internet. And you will have your domain. All of them are going to be connected, and you need them connected in order to have a website working. No, so the first thing about the hosting, it is important. I like to build websites where everything is integrated: the hosting, the website builder provider, and the domain. What happens when you don't have these three elements attached? If you're working with a marketing agency that, for example, has in one place your hosting, let's say a name, HostGator, and then you have your website in WordPress, the website design service in WordPress, and then you have your domain in Namecheap, that is one of the providers of domains. Then you have three separate elements that you need access to them. You need a username and password. And yes, if you're working with a marketing agency, well, they have control of them, but you need that information in some case if you want to renew your hosting, because you need to renew your hosting annually. Your website service provider, well, it depends with what service provider you are working with. Some do not charge. For example, WordPress, there is no problem, but you need access to WordPress in order to work your website and create new pages. And then the domain, no? So the domain, well, you need to connect it and you need to renew it every year. So I recommend to have these three elements together, and you can use platforms like, for example, Go High Level. You can use Wix. You can use GoDaddy, and three of them, they provide you the three services. And then one of the advantages that you will have control if anything happens to those username passwords, or if you have a conflict with your marketing agency. Also, I want to talk quickly about WordPress. WordPress is excellent. I think it's the best platform, website design platform, to create your content uh, for SEO purposes, search engine optimization. The only thing is that it involves a lot of technical work and also time. So in the technical work side, well, you have a learning curve to learn all the technology and everything that you need to make it work. And the other thing is the time. You need to be there a lot of hours learning all this stuff, and also working manually, and also checking constantly the website if there are some plugins that they don't have conflict, and then your site could not being visible because of that. So you need to be careful, how you're gonna create your website. So talk to your marketing agency, or if you want to go by your site, well, follow this video. I think it's gonna be so useful. Um, I really wanted to hear something like that, but I didn't have the chance to have this kind of advice. And well, we are here in Orange County, California. If you need help to create your website, we create good websites that rank on Google, and they are very good for SEO purposes. They attract leads. We work with SEO lead generation, and also we work with pay advertising. And if you want to have a multi-presence in all the internet, well, just contact us. We have affordable prices. And I hope you like this video. And anything, contact us. C2trilocalmarketing.com. Thank you, guys. Bye.